your head on my shoulder.
Hey y'all, it's Crystal Jade, and today we are going to be talking about hair care, specifically perms. Yep, I am going to tell you guys about the time that I got a perm, so I have experience with it. I got a perm in 8th grade, thinking that I was really cute. Apparently not, but we finna get into that. So before you get a perm, just my suggestion to you is to not get one because from my eyes, perms actually work with some people, but with me, they don't. So when I got a perm, it completely burned my hair out, and my hair originally is supposed to look like this, but it ended up being like this. It literally got that short to the point where I just wanted to cut all of my hair off, and I still do. But please, I know y'all feel the same way, please don't cut y'all hair off. The key to getting over a bad perm is just to let it grow out. Trim your hair. Don't trim your hair too much. Like, trim it occasionally, you know. And my hair has actually gotten better now. It's just in this weird bun because that's how I put it when my hair gets all frizzy, because I haven't washed my hair in a minute, so my hair gets all weird and frizzy. So if I took this bun down, your eyes would bleed. Just let me know. So yeah, this is how my hair looks now. It's gotten sort of better, but I still feel very insecure. My hair is still one of my biggest insecurities. So I just suggest to you guys to really think before you get a perm, because I've always been insecure about my hair. I'm just not realizing that my hair was actually a blessing, because my hair was really pretty before, but at the time I was young and I wasn't wise, so I didn't, view my hair as a blessing. Because if I'm being honest, I was bullied in middle school. I was actually bullied all my life, but I was bullied in middle school, and it just made me think that I wasn't pretty. It just made me think that I needed to change myself. When I was young, I didn't think to just be myself and things would fall in place. But really, I just feel like you should be yourself, because when I was young, I was in like 7th grade or 8th grade, which is like very young. Basically, everybody in my middle school basically worshipped Mexican girls, right? To the point where I thought that being myself wasn't good enough. I wanted to be Mexican, I wanted their hair type, and Mexicans usually have straight hair. So I was tired of my hair, honestly. Like, sometimes my hair would get like very detangled, but that wasn't no reason to actually perm my hair. So yeah, I was really insecure about my hair. I didn't accept it at all. I didn't thank God for it like I would have done now. And so basically, I just wanted my hair to be straight because I thought it was so cool, I thought that I had to have straight hair to be liked. And so that's when I got a perm. People kept telling me not to, but I didn't listen. So I suggest you listen to people older and wiser than you, because sometimes I don't listen to people older and wiser than me. I mean, I'm learning to now, but back then I definitely did not. So yeah, because eventually you're probably going to regret making an impulsive decision like I did. And so I just wanted to change my hair for some reason, and that led to me being bald head, or at least I would call myself bald head, and I still am bald head. I mean, my hair is like probably down here now. I mean, y'all probably thinking like, oh, that's not bald head, shut up. No, to me it is, because my hair used to be literally down to my butt, and I don't know when that's gonna come back again. So yeah, I'm just suggesting to you guys, not to ruin your hair. And I also used to straighten my hair like literally every day. I used to straighten my hair or curl my hair literally every day. And sometimes I wouldn't use a heat protectant. So I really suggest don't put heat on your hair every day. And if you do put heat on your hair, please use a heat protectant, because that's just the wise thing to do in order to not damage your hair, because my hair is badly damaged to the point where I believe that my curl pattern is gone. Because even if my hair is low-key coming back, I just feel like the curl pattern is very much gone, because my hair is supposed to be like really curly, and now it's just kind of wavy-ish. I mean, my hair always been wavy. Like, it hasn't been like too coily curly, but it's always been wavy. But I really don't know. I just feel like my hair been damaged all my life. Even before I got the perm, I used to low-key put a lot of heat to it. You know, I used to let my friends put heat to it. You know, they like to do my hair and stuff. Like, so I just feel like my hair low-key always was damaged. And like, that's one of the biggest regrets in my life. Probably the biggest regret in my life is the fact that I ruined my hair, because it's now like one of my biggest insecurities. So, but yeah. And if you did make the mistake that I did and completely damage your hair, I would just say give it time, because time is key to let your hair grow. Cut your hair occasionally, you know, trim your hair. Not too much, but occasionally. And I would basically just say give your hair treatments occasionally. I like to use hair masks, which I will probably do a video on the hair products that I use soon. I like to use hair masks. I also use biotin. Biotin is not meant for everybody. Some people break out from it, but biotin is really great. It's meant to give you healthy hair, skin, and nails. And it really does help my skin. Honestly, it helps my skin more than anything else. But I also use this, the Main Choice growth oil, and this is really good. And I would basically just say, with the oils, with the hair growth oils, with any oil actually, not like, obviously not like cooking oil or anything, you know, but like with like hair oil, I would say stimulate your scalp with that for about 5 minutes every day. And if you don't want to do it every day, do it every week, because that's what I do, and that's key to hair growth. And basically just give it time and leave it alone. You know, what I did was, after freshman year, I'm a senior now. After freshman year, I completely stopped putting heat to my hair. I completely stopped perming my hair, and that was like 3 years ago, and my hair is still not back to how it was. I mean, it's getting there, but it's just like, like it was getting there, but like a month ago, I washed my hair and the stuff just literally broke out in the back, and I'm just like, what the bleep, like, you know? So yeah, that, like, sometimes I feel like my hair is getting back to normal, and then something else happens, and I'm just like, I just want to cut this off at this point. But don't cut it off. I'm not very impulsive anymore, so that's why I haven't cut my hair off yet. But yeah, that's basically all I have to say, is that be careful when you get perms. I would suggest don't get a perm, because it will mess up your hair forever. That's what people told me. Forever. But that's basically all I have to say about perms in hair, because honestly I'm still going through it with my hair, so I might give y'all an update soon. And yeah, thank you for watching, guys. Like and subscribe. Leave a comment if you want, and I will be back with you in a minute. Bye, guys.